Although the COVID-19 pandemic has influenced various aspects of business operations, it has not diminished the significance of artificial intelligence in our daily lives. On the contrary, it is increasingly evident that self-learning algorithms and intelligent machines will have a substantial role in the continuous fight against not only this current pandemic but also others that may emerge in the future. Today we are going to discuss 15 emerging trends in AI to watch out for. Number 1. Robotic Process Automation (RPA). In an effort to streamline operations and cut down on expenses, an increasing number of chief information officers are embracing a dynamic technological approach known as robotic process automation. This technology enables organizations to automate mundane, rule-based business processes, freeing up their workforce to focus on more valuable tasks such as serving clients. RPA is designed to automate business processes guided by established business logic and structured inputs. Its applications span from simple tasks like generating automated email responses to the deployment of numerous bots, each programmed within an enterprise resource planning system to automate rule-based functions. The adoption of RPA is evident across various industry sectors, including manufacturing, knowledge, process outsourcing, human resources, and finance. Number 2. Conversational AI. Chatbots powered by AI, commonly referred to as conversational AI, play a pivotal role in expanding the scope, responsiveness, and personalization of the customer experience. According to Forrester, the integration of conversational AI solutions leads to more effective automation of customer service. To comprehend and cater to human inputs and requirements more effectively, AI-driven chatbots leverage natural language processing and machine learning. This results in a more authentic and human-like interaction, enhancing the overall customer experience. Number 3. The role of AI in healthcare. Big data has played a crucial role in the identification of COVID patients and the pinpointing of critical hotspots. Artificial intelligence has already made significant contributions to the healthcare sector, demonstrating high accuracy. Additionally, researchers have devised thermal cameras and mobile applications for monitoring individual temperatures, collecting valuable data for healthcare organizations. Through the utilization of data analysis and the prediction of various outcomes, AI proves to be a valuable support system for healthcare facilities. Instruments powered by AI and machine learning not only provide insights into human health but also recommend preventive measures to curb the spread of diseases. Furthermore, AI solutions enable doctors to remotely monitor the health of their patients, advancing teleconsultation and facilitating remote care. Number 4. Increase in demand for ethical AI. AI that is morally sound is in high demand and is one of the most exciting new technological advances. Forrester predicts that during the next 10 years, CIOs will need to employ ethical artificial intelligence to handle uncertainty in business continuity while also adapting to the acceleration of digitalization. Given the speed at which trends are evolving, employees and customers who value morality want firms to use AI responsibly. In the upcoming years, businesses will consciously decide to work with partners who are dedicated to data ethics. Number 5. AI for cybersecurity and knowledge breach. In the future, information accessibility will increase, accompanied by a heightened vulnerability of digital data to hacking and phishing threats. AI and emerging technologies are poised to assist the security sector comprehensively in countering malicious activities. Enhanced cybersecurity measures enabled by AI will play a pivotal role in deterring cybercrimes. The AI-powered framework will adapt at identifying fake digital activities or transactions that align with criminal patterns. Number 6. The intersection of the Internet of Things with AI. The lines separating AI from Internet of Things are becoming increasingly hazy. Even while each technology has its own advantages, combining them opens up even more exciting and novel possibilities. The primary reason we have intelligent voice assistants like Alexa and Siri is the convergence of AI and Internet of Things. Intelligent Internet of Things solutions are enhanced by AI's capacity to swiftly derive insights from data. By 2022, AI will be included into more than 80% of enterprise IoT initiatives, according to Gartner. Number 7. Natural language processing. At present, natural language processing stands as a widely employed application of AI, gaining prominence through its extensive utilization in devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. NLP has effectively eradicated the necessity for screen-based writing or communication, allowing humans to engage with robots that comprehend their language. In 2023, there is anticipated growth in the utilization of NLP across various applications, including sentiment analysis, machine translation, process description, auto-video caption generation, and the deployment of chatbots. Number 8. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning stands out as a distinct application within the realm of deep learning, relying on experimental learning to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of data processing. RL finds application in various scenarios, including devising business strategies for robotics, refining advertisement content, streamlining industrial automation, managing aircraft controls, and developing motion-controlled robots. Number 9. Quantum AI. To assess qubits for integration into supercomputers, leading-edge companies will increasingly employ quantum supremacy. Quantum computers, leveraging quantum bits, demonstrate accelerated problem-solving capabilities compared to traditional computers. Moreover, they play a crucial role in data interpretation and the prediction of distinctive trends. Quantum computers are poised to enable numerous organizations to unravel previously inaccessible challenges and anticipate meaningful solutions. In the future, these advanced computing systems will offer versatile applications in sectors such as healthcare, finance, and chemistry. Number 10. AI-powered business for forecasting and analysis. AI solutions play a pivotal role in reshaping business processes through the provision of real-time alerts. Researchers have coupled hyper-automation with cognitive automation to gain profound insights into market requirements. The integration of content-intelligent technologies combined with practices supportive of AI empowers digital workers to cultivate exceptional capabilities. These capabilities enable them to effectively handle the automation of tasks such as natural language processing, judgment, context formation, reasoning, and the extraction of insights from data. Number 11. Edge computing. Edge computing gives devices access to servers and data storage so they can access and store data on them. It is more potent than cloud computing services and is characterized as real-time data processing. Another application of edge computing is running on nodes. This mini server is situated close to a nearby local telecom company. Nodes aid in constructing a link between the cloud and the neighborhood service provider. Customers receive quick service, it saves time and money. Number 12. A rise of a hybrid workforce. Following the COVID-19 epidemic, businesses will jump on the RPA bandwagon, which implies that RPA and cognitive AI will be extensively used to handle repetitive, high-volume tasks. We will transition the office to a hybrid workforce environment when we see indications of increased usage. Digital assistants and automated bots will collaborate with human workers. The rise of the hybrid workforce will mean increased AI collaboration. Number 13. AI used in content generating. Industry experts suggest that AI-based content creation poses a potential challenge to content writers. However, the actual scenario is that it can function as an aid to boost their efficiency. In reality, utilizing AI for content creation has the potential to enhance brands' ability to provide an exceptional user experience. The capability of AI to process and analyze data can be harnessed to generate content tailored to individual users. Number 14. The role of AI in Web 3.0. Web 3.0, commonly referred to as the semantic web, represents the forthcoming stage in the evolution of the Internet. It is primarily constructed on core principles aimed at fostering increased user empowerment, openness, and privacy. In the context of 2023, artificial intelligence is recognized as the foundational element of Web 3.0, offering the potential to enhance user experiences through more refined content recommendations and improved interactions between humans and machines. Number 15. Artificial intelligence for IT operations. AI ops short for artificial intelligence for IT operations, refers to the management of data and information within an application environment. AI Ops employs technologies such as big data, machine learning, and various analytics tools to improve IT operations. Its applications include proactive performance monitoring, the simplification of intricate issues, and expanding decision-making processes. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below.